In this video, we're going to show you how to go from concept to finished product in 15 minutes. I have this idea for my friend's wedding. I want to make them personalized hoodies. So I'm going to use Google Gemini, which is free, to make my design. The prompt I'm going to use is, make me a line art drawing of a two-color flamingo, pink and black, and the initials J and A in black. This should be small, about 3 inches by 4 inches. Make it on a solid white background as a JPEG. Perfect. What Gemini created, I love it. This looks great. Now from here, I just save this image, and then I need to take it over into DesignShop to have it auto-digitized. In the newest version of DesignShop, I open up my JPEG. I then resize it to what I want it to fit in the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop. From here, I simply click the Convert to Stitches button. Click the hoop, the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop, and now I'll just send it to the network folder, and it's off to the Melco Summit. Now I could make some corrections in DesignShop if I want to, but I think this is going to come out really good just based off the way it looks now. The file brought in the hoop setting at 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop. We're running at 1,200 stitches a minute, and we set our active feed for a hoodie. With that, you just kind of run it. It's never been easier to go from concept to finished product. We literally did this in 15 minutes, from a vision to a completed embroidered shirt. Looks good, dude. Looks really good. I had this idea and I went to Gemini and I punched in the concept. It spit it out almost immediately. I saved that JPEG and I took it over to the newest version of DesignShop, hit auto digitize, sent it to the summit, put the hoodie on and embroidered it. 10 minutes later, it's done. I mean, it was really that simple. So get creative and go out there and make some money.